Hi, I'm Abby. I'm a master's student here at Tiffin studying forensic psychology, and I did my project about hate crimes and public perception, and this was a great learning experience, and I think I'll carry this with me through my career.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
My name is Allison Young. I did my presentation over anxiety in college students and social media patterns. I would say that I learned a lot about SPSS and how to do more on the computer through this research design project.
Hi, my name is Ariana Mahan Higgins. I am from Colorado and I am a forensic psych graduate student here at Tiffin University. My research today was on violent juvenile offenders and adults' perceptions of them, and it was titled Same Crime, Different Face. This was an amazing experience and I'm very happy to be here with everybody today.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
My name is Ashley. I just got done with my presentation about true crime consumption and attitudes about violence in media. I feel like it went pretty good. I was a little rushed at the beginning and then I calmed down and it went good.
My name is Caitlin Weitzel,
My name is Ellen Malinowski.
My name is Caitlin Jarvis.
and we did our presentation on academic personal stress and sleep quality among others.
What surprised us the most was how much our stress actually does influence our sleep quality. A lot of fun. It was great.
So much fun.
All worth it.
Yeah.
Had to be done.
Okay, congratulations!
My name is Katie Buchanan. I did my study on safety perception and campus security. The research conference was a really good opportunity to listen to similarly minded people present topics that related to yours and just see how everybody else's minds work. And it was really interesting to see all of the research that was done and the results from it.
Thank you.
Hello, my name is Chesney Mullins. For the Spring 26 Research Conference, I had a great experience. I had a small group and it was really interesting to see what everybody's topics were about.
So I'm Claire,
And I'm Natalie.
and we did our research on attitudes of academic cheating in college classrooms. And I think a really good experience that we got from this conference was learning to grow in confidence with the research that we spent so much time on, and being able to talk about it and having people learn from it. It's a really rewarding experience.
For me, it was just like gaining confidence in presenting again, because we presented last year, but this year we had to face new challenges and just overcome and just present and be ourselves.
My name is Elaine, and I just finished my presentation on implicit bias in police decisions, and I think it went really well. We had a really great discussion in my classroom afterwards.
Hi, I'm Ellie Johnson. I studied the accessibility and effectiveness of probation programs at a rural Northwest Ohio probation department. It was a really great experience. I learned a lot. It's really great to do research and learn that, and Tiffin provides that for us.
My name is Heaven Lohmeyer. I did first responder mental health and how it affects their overall well-being. It seems overwhelming at first, but it's really not that bad. And even if you don't find anything statistically significant, you're just giving yourself guidelines for future research.
My name is Isabel Naders, and I did my presentation on the impact of gender and age on an athlete's mental health. And my overall experience was very good. I thought it was really interesting, all of the research that I found, and it supported most of the research that I did here.
My name is Jeremiah Johnson, and my research was over TikTok and a relation between that and well-being. And at the conference, it was a good opportunity to practice my public speaking and just get a vibe for a more professional setting. I was really grateful for the opportunity and I had a great time.
Hi, I'm Kat. My topic was policing in the public sphere, and it was a great opportunity to speak in public and present information.
I'm Cadence Allen. I did my research project on attitudes towards the insanity defense, and the research conference, I guess, gave me a sense of more confidence in presenting things that I work on myself, which helps build my confidence since I should get used to presenting things since I'm a college student. And I think that it helped me realize how supportive other people are.
My name is Lee, and I did my research on ethics and AI for criminal justice. My experience was good. I was a little nervous, and I didn't know what I was doing when I went into it, but after watching everybody did a good job, and I really enjoyed it, so that was my experience. Thank you.
Congratulations!
Hi, my name is Luke. I just finished presenting my presentation on false confessions, athletic status, and professional victim. I think it went pretty well. We had an issue with our computer and technology to where it took about 10 minutes in between presentations to be able to move from one to the next. But other than that, I think that every presentation went well.
Hi, I'm Maddie Murphy. I studied how screen time affects how somebody would view how screen time should be introduced to kids.
Yeah, and how do you feel about the conference?
The conference was good. I had a good time listening to the people in my room, and I thought it was helpful to listen to other people's perspectives on similar topics.
Hi, I'm Madison Adderholt. I'm a junior at Tiffin in forensic psychology. Overall, it was pretty good. The topic was how the different attachment styles impacts stress among college students.
Yeah.
And it was interesting seeing other people's topics and stuff, and yeah.
Okay. Eric?
My name is Maggie. I've studied how gender and education can impact views on criminal justice sentencing, especially in the juvenile court system. It was a really good experience. I want to work with juveniles, so it was nice to try and see how the public can influence what affects them.
I'm McKenna Butcher, and I did my presentation with Sarah Slavin on differences in gender and age and perceptions of sexual consent, and this really helped me build my research abilities and my presentation abilities.
My name is Mariah Hathaway Wheeler. I did my topic over hidden in plain sight, white collar crime. This experience was pretty good. I feel like I learned a lot. I can do more, and I can't wait to see where it takes me.
Hi, my name is Melissa Henry. My research was over the perception of success between African American and white women. A good thing about the conference is learning how to public speak and how to work a room, and also expressing what we took time with.
My name is Nicholas Colosimo. I am a cybersecurity and computer science double major, and I'm also minoring in national security and intelligence. My research was concerning how ambiguity in peripheral cues affects belief endorsement and generation in college students. And I think overall the conference was a great time to present our findings that we created and combined throughout the year in our research SES 300 class.
Hi, I'm Samantha, and I did my topic on how does having a criminal justice education reduce fear of crime among college students. I really liked the conference. It was nice. It was nice to see everyone's different topics and how they went about doing their research, and I really enjoyed it.
My name is Sydney. I just finished my research presentation. I think it went pretty well, hit the time goal. I submitted one of the wrong graphs, but that's okay because I talked about it afterwards.
I'm Trinity Oden. I did my presentation over The Handmaid's Tales as Modern Protest. And I really liked the experience. I really enjoyed my topic and finding out what people know about my topic and women's rights.
My name is Zoe. I just finished my presentation on stalking. I think it went pretty well and I'm excited to continue my research.
I was really impressed with the quality of the research and stuff. Really good to do yourself with that.
So for our graduate, outstanding graduate paper, we have Ashley Ragusa.
Of course. Yes, ma'am. I got a frame.
So for our most outstanding undergraduate paper, we have Chesney Mullen.
Oh yeah! Woohoo!
I had the honor of receiving the best undergrad research paper.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So for our most outstanding graduate presentation, we have Zoe Marcotte.
Yeah! It just says outstanding. Let's see. Yeah, Zoe!
For most outstanding undergraduate presentation, Trinity Oden.
Perfect.
My name is Zara and I'm a graduate student here at Tiffin University. I was doing my master's in criminal justice forensic psychology. This year I got opportunity to work to act for moderator judge for the research conference, and I see this is a very good opportunity for me as well. And this conference really helps students expand your knowledge. If you are planning to do a further PhD or something, this is like the best thing for you. So I will encourage you to do it and get your guidance from. We have a professor, they are very supportive and you can reach out to them whenever you want and they will guide you throughout the whole project. So yeah, you can do it.
My name's Mary Mack. Okay. And I was honored to be selected as a judge, as a moderator for this event. It's a big honor first of all, and then the feeling of understanding what student goes through as well as someone who can like analyze like what's lacking or what's covered and all of those things. It was like an amazing experience.
Okay.
So I am Dr. Shannon De Clute, and I think research conferences are incredibly important for students to be able to see what other students are doing, to have conversations about research, to explore and talk about methodology and conclusions, and to really understand why research is imperative to psychology, which is a science. The whole day went great.
Congratulations to all the students and good job.
Congratulations, so proud of you. Yay, we done.